Here's a common problem: missing teeth. And false teeth don't have to be the only solution. Since 2003, a modern method of tooth replacement called keyhole implant dentistry has allowed dentists to create new teeth that no longer sit on the gums but are in the gums like natural teeth. Virtually painless and with immediate results, no wonder keyhole implant dentistry is preferred by so many patients. Suitable for the young and not so young, and suitable for single and multiple missing teeth, keyhole implant dentistry is the most ideal way to replace them. If you would like to know about this modern method and all the other current options, download this free ebook and find out about removable dentures, bridges, surgical implants, and keyhole implant dentistry, as well as how to avoid losing more teeth throughout your lifetime. Discover what's involved with each option, the benefits and the risks. Download your free copy of Options for the Replacement of Your Missing Teeth at www.optionsformissingteeth.com. Sponsored by the Australian National Centre for Keyhole Implant Dentistry, Sydney. Or call us to speak with Shannon or Jenny on 02 9411 5116.